Hello, English Together, and welcome to today's quiz. We're practicing questions in the simple present tense. Now, before we start, let's go over the instructions. So you're going to read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 5 seconds, and then the answer will appear. Question 1. The correct answer is letter A. Do you like pizza? Question 2. The correct answer is letter B. Why do you study English? Question 3. The correct answer is letter B. What time does your school start? Question 4. The correct answer is letter A. Does she play tennis on weekends? Question 5. The correct answer is letter C. Where do they live? Question 6. The correct answer is letter C. What does your father do? Question 7. The correct answer is letter A. Do your friends go to the gym? Question 8. The correct answer is letter B. How often do you visit your grandparents? Question 9. The correct answer is letter A. Does it rain a lot in your city? Question 10. The correct answer is letter C. What do you eat for breakfast? Hey, English Together, you're halfway done. Keep going. Question 11. The correct answer is letter C. Does your teacher speak slowly? Question 12. The correct answer is letter A. Where does your father-in-law work? Question 13. The correct answer is letter B. Do I need to sign this paper? Question 14. The correct answer is letter C. What kind of music do you like? Question 15. The correct answer is letter A. Does your dog eat chicken? Question 16. The correct answer is letter B. How often does your cousin call you? Question 17. The correct answer is letter C. Do your parents help you with homework? Question 18. The correct answer is letter A. How do you go to work? Question 19. The correct answer is letter B. Does your mom cook dinner every day? Question 20. The correct answer is letter B. Do I have your phone number? Hey there, English Together. You did it. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Together? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.